Right, how to add hashtags to the end of the description of all your videos retrospectively. Right, so here we are. We're in YouTube interface. I'm going to go up to my logo. Going to click on that and then go down to YouTube Studio. And then I go to my content tab and it shows all my videos. So to select all of them, I go to this tab where it says video, and next to that it says select all. Click on that, then it will say all videos are selected. You then simply go to the edit tab and then go down to description, and you can either insert it at the beginning or insert it at the end. I like to insert it at the end of all my videos, and then you put in whatever your hashtag is. So I'll put in one that I just made up. Now you can give that some space before you put that in to make sure that it isn't buttered up tight to anything else you've written. And then you can simply hit the update videos button. And then it will say you're about to update the selected videos. This update cannot be stopped once it is started. So then you need to click that you understand that, and then you update the videos. Now there's nothing else you can do on that page until that is cleared, so you let that run and you don't navigate away from that page until it's all done. So in my case it was only 8 videos on this particular channel, but now we can have a look at those and go to the details, the title and description, and you'll see the one I added right at the end is on the end of each video. And now we can go back to channel content and I can pick any one of those, and you'll see that Sergeant Slaughter has been added to the end of each video. Now that will it'll take some time for the web crawlers to find it, but after a week or so you'll probably be able to do a search on all your videos looking for that. So for instance, if I take that now, that earlier one, and if I do just a general search anywhere, in this case it's DuckDuckGo, but if I do a search anywhere under that hashtag that I put on previously, you'll find that all my videos come up first. So it really is a really useful way of finding if you've got a channel name that is hard to find, for instance, you give yourself a quickly identifiable unique hashtag, and then you add that to the end of all your videos, and within a week or so they'll be eminently searchable on that hashtag. I hope that's helped you, and thanks for watching. Hey friends, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications for all my future videos. It would be great to hear from you in the comments, and I'll try to get back to as many of you as possible. You may wish to check out these titles or even help me out with a donation using the links in the description below the video. Thanks for watching.